The other day I went to Harbor Freight. Let's do an unboxing video. Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to my messy workshop. Like I said, the other day I went to Harbor Freight. It was on the 4th of July, so they had a 25% off coupon. I couldn't resist buying something, so let me show you what I bought. I bought their 1x30 belt sander. And if you know Harbor Freight tools, you know that this is not going to be on the same level as a DeWalt or a Rikon or a lot of other tools. But the price is right. And I kind of need one in my shop from time to time. I don't need it a lot. So I thought since it's on sale, I'd go ahead and get it. And the little bit I use it, it'll probably be just fine. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Right on top is a set of instructions, a little handle that's covered in oil in a bag, styrofoam. I gotta say, it's packed pretty well. And the machine. And the table. And that's all that's in the box. Nice job of packing. Okay, to assemble this, it looks like we remove this spark shield. There's a screw holds it on. Set it aside. Then there's a knob that holds this side guard on. We'll remove it. Take the handle off. And it should just pop off of there. Yep, it pops right off. Take the bolt out of the handle. Slide the table on and down. Then the bolt goes through a hole here underneath. And then the bolt goes in the adjustment handle. We can put the side back on. Put the knob back in. Put the spark shield back on. And for all intent and purposes, it's put together. Now, I've got a little square around here someplace, but of course in Paul's Messy Workshop, I can't find it. So I have another level or another square here, and I can see that the table is not square to the belt. There's an adjustment at the back of the table. There. And it only took a little bit of a turn. It didn't even hardly take a quarter turn. And we're adjusted. So now, let's turn it on and see how it runs. Let me plug it in here. And we'll turn it on. Let me get a piece of wood and we'll see how it works. I've got a piece of poplar here and we'll see how it sands it. Sand's very nice. It does what I hoped it would do. This little sander is normally $54. I hit a 25% off coupon. Every once in a while they put it on sale for around $40, so it's about the same. It's not a bad little sander. I think it's going to be a nice addition to the Messy Workshop. Well, there you go. An unboxing and first thoughts review on the 1x30 Harbor Freight belt sander. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. I answer all the comments that I get. If you think somebody might be interested in this unboxing and review, share it with them. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. That way you get notice of all the content I put out. And I sure appreciate your watching. I need to clean up my shop so I can find my little square. So until next time, thanks so much for watching.